Oh, whoops, recording. I didn't mean to record.
Where's my tattoo?
What? What's this? Chuck E. Cheese tattoo. Oh, Anthony Green is my love. I don't know what to say after that. Too far. I was trying to learn how to play this song, but I don't have the little, like, go, Chelsea, go. You hear it? Nothing to ruffle your head. Been wandering round in my so let go. Ugh. I already forget how I used to feel about you.